What's up, guys? It's Casey. It's February 4th, 2025, and I'm out here fishing close to home near Marco Island. Just doing a little exploring, some local areas I usually don't hit because there's too much boat traffic, but I'm on the skiff. It's harder to get back in some of these bays that are super shallow, so I thought I'd take advantage of the higher tide today. Right now it's about a foot above the low tide, which is not normal for winter. Normally it's below zero, negative tide. So right now it's kind of slackening out, but I am seeing some activity. I started throwing some flies over here, looking for snook and redfish, just hitting some points. I'll show you here in a second, but here's my rig today. This is my 9-weight rod. It's a TFO Axiom 2. Got a T-bore signature on here, weight forward floating. I think this is summer redfish line, 9-weight. And I've got a tapered leader, probably about 10 feet here, 11 feet maybe. Tapered leader down to 40-pound bite tippet. So I'm throwing the old Tom's light bulb, Mangrove Outfitters. It's an awesome fly. Just mimics a white bait or a pilchard. It's a favorite bait fish for most of these inshore fish that I'm targeting. So let's see what happens. All right, so this is a little point I'm starting out at. So this is a mouth of a bay, back bay. Got kind of a bar that goes in between here, these two islands. It's pretty shallow. The tide was just done kind of pouring out of here, coming towards me. The wind is also blowing towards me. A lot of these fish will kind of stack up along the sides. There's some hard bottom here, which is an oyster bar. And some overhanging branches, some shade. The sun's behind me, or to my right, I guess. I don't know, it's above me. So these fish will like to hang around these corners. It's a good ambush point, just waiting for the bait to get pushed by, so they don't have to work too hard to get a meal. So I just try to get in as close as I can, or as shallow as I can, and then start working this fly. So these guys are usually going to be laid on the edge where there's a transition from the bank into the deeper water. Kind of like a little flat here. So I'm just kind of working little 6-inch strips, kind of changing the speed back and forth. Trying to mimic this fly, just look like a bait fish swimming, maybe trying to evade the fish if they're nearby. Get them excited. Starting to get some better light here. I can kind of see some dark shapes over on this edge. Right over here. Let that sink for a second. There he is. Yep. Keep this guy on. A really nice fish. Heck yeah. Hell yeah. Hot coffee. the best one I've had on a fly in a while. Been a couple of years since I got a decent one. This size at least. Without a guide, how about that? On my own. On my lonesome, sight fishing. Without even standing on the platform. Okay, let's go. Come over here, buddy. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Not today, buddy. Sorry. Oh wow, look at him. Hell yeah. Well, somebody got his claw in him too. Look at that. Thank you, buddy. Make sure he gets away okay. There he goes. He just gave me a nice little bite. Get off me. 2 thumbs up.